Good morning, everybody. This is Lynn from A Bit of Birdsong, and I am visiting my sweet mama. She has got the most beautiful log cabin ever, and I wanted to show you her sewing room. It's magnificent. She is so organized and so neat. This is the lady who taught me how to sew when I was a little girl. I want you to look at her fabrics. Have you ever seen such neatness? It's amazing. And there are so many little special touches everywhere. The dried flowers in the basket. And my mom rescues baby dolls and then makes clothes for them. There is an especially sweet little baby that we had to just pull out and hold last night. That baby right there feels like a real baby. So, brings back memories of holding a baby when you have a baby doll that feels so much like a real baby. I'm sorry if I'm shaking the camera a little bit. So this large closet has been turned into a place for her fabrics. And let me swing around if I can and show you. And she makes beautiful aprons, by the way, and bonnets. I will get to that. So you can see the dress that she's made and the beautiful apron. She also makes dolls. These are not finished yet, but these are like very large clothespin dolls, and she carves the shape of the clothespin herself out of wood, and then she makes these gorgeous dresses, and she will be painting faces on these. She's just so talented. So let me back up and show you this beautiful 4-poster bed. It's like going back in time. It's so pretty. All the old books and the inks. Pictures of our family. Yep, I love my mama, and I always tell people I will fight somebody over who's got the best mama, because I know I do. She's wonderful, and I would not trade her for anything in this world. I love this little stand. So I believe this was a display of some kind. Let me show you. I believe she added the images to the top. And then it's got the shelves in it, which ended up being perfect to house sewing notions. See where it says pepperoni? And then a cute little stand right by the sewing machine. And then on the side, she's got all this beautiful lace hanging. That's what she uses to trim her aprons with. I want to be just like my mama when I grow up. So that is her sewing room. Really, really pretty. There's an old ironing board. See the wooden bottom? And of course she presses everything, making these aprons. Let me see, hanging on the door are some current creations. Show you the fabrics. It's really pretty. oldest son from years ago. And a lot of old family pictures. There's my mama when she was little. And there's my stepdad's parents. My sweet little niece. Just a lot of beautiful pictures. There's my sweet little Michaela. All right, I hope this has not been too wobbly. I wanted to just show you the loveliness that I'm surrounded by this morning, and I will see you later. Bye.